I have two more examples to show you real quick because there are a few of these on your assignment and I didn't do any examples of these in the actual notes. So real quick, you probably can see what we're going to do. We're going to distribute this 6. 6 times 4x is 24x. 6 times this negative 3 is minus 18. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. 6 times 4 is 24. And then 6 times this negative 3x is negative 18x. Now I combine like terms. So I have 24x minus 18x. And that is 6x. And then negative 18 plus 24 is a positive 6. Okay, and last one. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 9 times m is 9m. Over here, this is a negative 7 that you're distributing, so negative 7 times m is minus 7m. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Combine like terms, I have 45 minus 21 to get 24. And then 9m minus 7m is a positive 2m. Okay, there are a few of these in your assignment today. Hopefully these examples help you along. If not, raise your hand and I will come help.